Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ali, owner operator. I have International LT 2018 with a Cummins engine X15. I want to show you today quick how to remove your driver or passenger fairing. Just this part, from this part to the end there. And that's gonna be another part. So let me show you how to do that. It's really easy. All you need is a ratchet 16. No, if you got the original bolt in there, 15 millimeter. I already loosed them, okay, and then thought to make a quick video. So let me show you the rest. So loose the bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 at the top, on the top, and 4 on the bottom. And let me show you. Hope you can see this. It's raining today, but I gotta do this. Don't have much of a daylight now. You know, when you have work and you need to get it done, you have to get it done, okay? So this is 4. I got 1 left there. So this is 7. Make sure you put them in a very good place, and make sure if it's original bolts in there, use some lubricant to lose the tightness of your bolts to break loose easily. So make sure you put them in a good place, and let's get 15. It takes 15. Let me see. Yeah. You don't have to do this if you got the originals in there. I had to reopen this side a long time ago, and my old bolts and nuts was corrosion and tie there, you know, long time there. It's just messed up, broke. So I had to replace them and put their bolts and nuts different sizes. So yeah, if you have the original ones, you don't have to do this, because it's gonna be welded in there. Okay, so one is the 15th. But this is not gonna take a long time. Hope so. But if you don't know, I'd like to show you. Standard lighting. So make sure you put all bolts. Can't do this with this, you know. Can't do it with. So then let me show you. See this? It's hidden right here, so you have to take this out first. So just watch me. It's easy. So open your battery cover, and there's a metal here. Just hold it. Anyway, like pull it out, okay, and then lift it up, and just easily put that down. That's how you take it off. That's how you take this off. You see? It's really easy. It's not gonna take you about 15 minutes. And make sure put it somewhere you don't get it scratched. Don't mess it up. Yeah, you don't want it messed up. So now we'll show you how it looks in here. So there, whenever you put it back again, so the bottom sits in there. So whenever you make sure that the bottom sits on top here. And this, right now I opened it, so just comes off. So that's all of it. 4 bolts on top, 4 bolts on the bottom. Loose it up. 50 millimeter socket, and you're done. And that's what behind. Hope you like my videos, guys. Hope it's helpful. And if you like my videos, please guys subscribe and like, and thank you very much for watching my videos. And y'all have a good one. We'll see y'all in another video.